Hi everyone, this is Mariana, trainer and technical documentation developer at In-House Solutions. I'm here with Mastercam Quick Tip of the Day. Do you know that Mastercam provides pre-designated shortcut keys? The list containing most of the default Mastercam shortcut keys is in the Quick Reference Guide that is part of Mastercam folder in the Start menu. You can also access the Quick Reference Guide in the Documentation folder of your Mastercam installation. The combinations of keys that are used can be Alt plus a letter, a function key, Control plus a letter, Shift plus a letter, or a combination of Control, Shift, and a letter, and Alt and arrow keys. The benefit is that you can use a shortcut to open the function rather than select a function from a ribbon bar with the mouse. For example, I'm going to press F4, which opens Analyze Entity command, and I can just select whatever I need to analyze. If I'm using the ribbon bar, I will have to go into Home and Analyze Entity. This concludes the quick tip of the day. Thank you for watching.